Some small bathrooms immediately create a sense of calm, harmony, and sophistication. Not because they're large, and not because they use luxurious materials. It's usually all about the visual composition of the space. One simple principle that designers often rely on is the repetition of materials. When the same finish appears repeatedly, for example, on different surfaces, the space feels thoughtful and complete. Another subtle detail that makes a big difference is the way open elements are designed. In sophisticated interiors, open areas appear thoughtfully designed, almost like small display cases rather than mere storage spaces. This makes the space visually light and harmonious. Expensive-looking bathrooms also tend to softly direct the eye. A clear horizontal line, whether in proportions, layout, or alignment, creates a sense of order and calm. When the eye knows where to rest, the room appears more thoughtfully designed. These decisions are independent of color, size, or style, light or dark, modern or classic. When materials are repeated, when visual elements appear carefully chosen, and when the composition appears balanced, even a small bathroom can appear thoughtful, elegant, and subtly sophisticated. The most important thing is how the colors work together and how they make you feel. Many people are afraid of dark bathrooms, especially in small spaces. But dark tones can often feel even more elegant and calming than light ones. Dark tiles and deeper colors don't make the room feel heavy. They add depth, softness, and a sense of quiet luxury. Dark bathrooms can be especially calming. They create an atmosphere that feels intimate, calm, and sophisticated, like a small, private corner within the home. At the same time, light bathrooms have their own beauty. They feel fresh, open, and timeless. Neither option is better than the other. The most expensive-looking bathrooms are those where the colors are harmonious and thoughtful, where nothing feels forced. In small bathrooms, simplicity always works to your advantage. When a space feels calm and visually clean, it automatically feels more sophisticated. Luxury here isn't about trends or rules. It's about comfort, balance, and atmosphere. A small bathroom can feel elegant, cozy, and beautiful, in light tones, dark tones, or somewhere in between. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable in this space. Because when a bathroom feels cozy and well designed, it always feels expensive. If you love these ideas, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay creative, and may your home always be chic.